If you, a woman, are watching this video right now, it is because your guardian angels have something crucial to tell you. Your name was mentioned recently, not by chance, but because you are often misunderstood. The angels want you to know that people talk about you precisely because you shine brightly, like a rare diamond. However, many still struggle to see all the light and positivity you spread. It is surprising yet true that you can exude so much power and love simultaneously. Nevertheless, know that you are visible to the stars of the universe and are being supported by angels and archangels, even in situations of criticism, skepticism, and hatred. In these challenging moments, they are not only by your side but also creating protective barriers around you. These barriers are invisible but incredibly powerful, keeping you safe and strong against the adversities of the world. When it seems like there are no limits, the angels illuminate your strengths, emphasizing the unique capabilities and talents you possess. When you begin to doubt yourself, especially after giving so much love and joy to others, it is essential to remember that your efforts are not in vain. Those who receive your care and dedication often remember not just what was done, but also the spirit in which you did it. Your inner strength, that silent and powerful resilience, and your unwavering kindness do not go unnoticed. They are the mark of your presence in the world, a testament to your ability to positively impact someone's life. This ability to influence and inspire is not a small thing. It is a formidable force, a true power that transcends the ordinary. While you may sometimes feel alone in your struggles, the angels are always with you, guiding and protecting every step of your path. Every act of kindness you extend to another is amplified by the angels, creating a wave of positive energy that returns to you in often unexpected ways. Yes, it is true that the world is filled with liars and deceivers, but it is important to highlight that you definitely do not belong to that group. You stand out for your sincerity and integrity, qualities that resonate clearly in all your actions. The heavenly message directed to you today is a note full of wisdom and high guidance, specifically designed to help you better understand who you are and which path to follow. This message is intrinsically linked to your life purpose and spiritual path, serving as a beacon that guides your steps in the right direction. Throughout your journey, you have often been put under the spotlight, whether at work, in friendships, or other social contexts. However, not all the attention you attracted was positive. Not only compliments and support came to you, many times, you encountered people who doubted your intentions and abilities. Furthermore, your light and success inevitably attracted the envy of some, who, unable to recognize or reach their own worth, chose to criticize and diminish your achievements. The message delivered to you today comes with a clear and essential warning. Always be alert to hateful words, envy, or jealousy that permeate the world around you, as these elements can try to obstruct your path. It is vital for your growth and well-being that you recognize and understand the negative energy that can inadvertently be absorbed along your journey. This energy, often subtle and insidious, has the potential to divert you from your course and obscure the clarity of your vision. Your extraordinary gift of perceiving beyond what is immediately visible to the eyes is a powerful tool, but it can also be a source of misunderstandings and confusion. This rare talent, which allows you to see the deeper layers of situations and people, can sometimes result in misinterpretations by those who do not have the same capacity for understanding or who are not at the same stage of spiritual development. It is important to remember that not everyone around you has reached the same level of spiritual growth, and many may still be acting under the weight of fear, a significant obstacle to personal and spiritual advancement. This fear can manifest in various ways, often as resistance or rejection of the unknown, which can negatively affect interactions with these people. Regarding love, an element so central to human life, it is suggested that you be even more conscious when sharing your energy and wisdom with others. It is crucial to recognize that not everyone wants to change, heal, or find harmony with their own soul. With this reality in mind, offer your divine guidance only when explicitly requested and only when you feel it is truly necessary. Always be aware that some people may not understand or value your presence. Not everyone is ready or willing to embark on a journey of personal and spiritual transformation, and that must be respected. Stay firmly connected with those who are in harmony with you. These are the individuals who share your values and worldview, those who support and enrich your journey. With them, you can be a generous and loving mentor, sharing your knowledge and compassion. Generosity in sharing your spiritual guidance not only helps others, but also reinforces your own spiritual practice and emotional well-being. To maintain your ability to help others without compromising your mental or spiritual health, it is crucial to establish clear boundaries. These boundaries will allow your intuition to distinguish more accurately what is reality and what is illusion. Understanding and maintaining these boundaries not only protects you from potentially harmful energies, but also strengthens your interactions, allowing you to engage more effectively and truthfully. Your spiritual abilities are undoubtedly a blessing. They offer a unique and deeply enriching perspective on life and the world around you. However, it is imperative that these abilities are used with care and awareness. Spiritual wisdom should be handled delicately and respectfully, both for your own good and for the benefit of those who receive your guidance. Always remember that you are loved and protected by the universe. This certainty should be a constant source of comfort and strength. Allow this message to resonate deeply in your soul and carry it with you in all your interactions. By sharing positivity and promoting positive vibrations, you not only benefit others but also initiate a virtuous cycle of positive energy that returns to you. This act of sharing is not just a donation, it is also a way to amplify the good in the world. By spreading good vibes, you contribute to a more positive and welcoming environment for everyone. With every word and action, you have the power to create waves of positive energy that can transform lives, including your own. This message also includes a special prayer for you, O divine, source of love and light. At this moment, we raise our voices and hearts in prayer for her, who stands out as a guide of kindness and a force for good amid the complexities of this world. We ask that she always be enveloped by the sacred mantle of your divine love and protection. May the angels and archangels continue to surround her with their constant presence, creating invisible yet powerful barriers that protect her from adversities and negative energies that may try to divert her path. May she feel this protection as an armor of light, safe and comfortable, allowing her to continue her journey with confidence and peace. Grant her the clarity to see beyond appearances, using her unique gift to discern the true nature of situations and people. Strengthen her intuition so that she can clearly distinguish between reality and illusion, guiding her to make decisions that reflect her wisdom and compassion. We also ask that you help her maintain her bonds with those who share her vision and values, providing her with a circle of support and love. May she be a generous and loving mentor, extending her hand to those who seek her guidance, while establishing healthy boundaries that protect her spirit and energies. May her journey be illuminated by a constant flow of love, and may every act of kindness she extends be amplified, bringing good vibes back to her in unexpected ways. May she continue to be a source of light and inspiration, touching the lives of many while remaining protected and loved by the universe. We thank you for her presence among us, a true gift to the world. May this prayer resonate as an echo of hope and strength, surrounding her with the divine love and protection she so needs. Amen. This message directed to you today has the special purpose of helping you recognize the immense value you possess and embrace the unique gifts you have to offer the world. As you navigate the complexities of this world, full of illusions and distortions, this guidance will be a beacon that lights your way, guiding you through the shadows with clarity and confidence. To fully internalize this message and receive the blessings it carries, we invite you to type 999 in the comment section below. This simple act is not just an acceptance of the message, but also a way to share a wave of positivity with other viewers who, like you, may be seeking a boost of encouragement and inspiration today. By doing this, you are not only accepting a blessing for yourself, but also extending your hand in solidarity to others. Deeply appreciate the light and greatness that reside within you. In a world where not everyone is on the same level or life cycle, your actions and stance can serve as a luminous example of compassion and understanding. We encourage you to always be kind and humble, treating others with the respect and empathy that everyone deserves. At the same time, it is crucial that you remain firm in your convictions, standing up for your truths with courage and integrity. Always remember that, in the end, truth, love, and peace have the power to triumph over any adversity. By living according to these principles, you not only enrich your own life but also contribute to the creation of a better world for everyone. Through your actions and the example you set, you help pave the way for a brighter and more hopeful future. So embrace this message with an open heart and let it resonate deeply within your soul, becoming a continuous source of strength and inspiration as you move forward on your journey. The message we share today culminates with a special invitation for a personal lunar reading, which may be just the resource you need to make an important decision in your life. We encourage you to explore this unique opportunity by clicking on the provided link. There you will find full details on how this reading can illuminate your path, offering insights and guidance aligned with the cycles of the moon and its influence on your personal journey. Always remember that you are deeply loved and protected by the universe. Your positive actions, every step you take toward the good, not only benefit you but also create a cycle of benevolent energy that extends to those around you. This cycle of kindness and positivity is a powerful catalyst for change and well-being, not just for you but also for the community in which you are embedded. We sincerely hope that every word of this video touches your heart and that the messages of love and hope we share serve as a source of inspiration and comfort. In every phrase, in every moment of reflection, our goal is to reinforce the sense of connection and support you have from this vast universe. Finally, we would like to reiterate that you are not alone on this journey. There is a higher force, always present, that takes care of you every step of the way. This force works silently by your side, guiding you through challenges and celebrating your victories. May you feel accompanied, safe, and valued, knowing that every challenge you face is an opportunity to grow and that every success is a testament to your strength and resilience. When considering the lunar reading, see it as yet another tool to help you navigate the complexities of life with greater clarity and purpose. Click the link, find out more, and allow yourself to be guided by insights that resonate with your intuition and inner wisdom. May these words echo deeply in your soul, bringing you peace and comfort, especially in the most challenging moments of your life. This is the perfect time for you to rekindle the flame of faith and love within yourself and bring it out, sharing this positive energy with those who need it most. We encourage you to spread these messages of hope and inspiration with your family and friends. Be the light in the lives of those who find themselves in the shadows of doubt and despair. By doing so, you become a true agent of positive change in the world, a catalyst for significant transformations that can ease others' burdens and light their paths. Stay in communion with the divine, and may your journey always be accompanied by the comforting presence of God. Until our next meeting, where we hope once again to offer moments of faith, peace, and comfort to strengthen your spirit and renew your hopes. Amen. Share these messages with your loved ones. Bring light to those in darkness and be an agent of positive change. Carry with you the certainty that every small act of kindness and every word of support has the power to make a big difference. May the light you share today also illuminate your path and bring you the gratification of knowing that you are contributing to a better world.